If you don't like politics but love a good roast, then stick around cause Obama's got you covered. Former President Barack Obama didn't hold back at the Democratic National Convention. In his hometown of Chicago, Obama was on fire as he mocked Donald Trump's weird obsession with crowd sizes, comparing him to a neighbor who won't stop running his leaf blower outside your window. The crowd, absolutely loving it. Obama also took a dig at Trump's childish nicknames and crazy conspiracy theories. With his hands just a few inches apart, he hilariously hinted at Trump's fixation on size, leaving everyone in stitches. But it wasn't all jokes. Obama praised Kamala Harris, calling her the neighbor who rushes over to help when you need a hand. The crowd erupted in a chant, "Yes, she can!" Obama also gave a heartfelt shout-out to Joe Biden, calling him an outstanding president and a true friend. And let's not forget Michelle Obama. She took the stage to endorse Harris with a powerful message about hope making a comeback. So what do you think? Did Obama nail it? Drop your thoughts in the comments.